In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your workspace in Adobe Illustrator. If your panels feel out of place or your tools aren't where you expect them to be, a quick workspace reset can save you time and frustration. Your workspace in Illustrator is simply the arrangement of panels, tools, and docs you see around your canvas. Over time, it's easy for things to shift around as you work, and resetting brings everything back to the default layout for that workspace. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator. If it's already open, great, you're ready to go. Look toward the top of the screen for the main menu bar, click on Window, then hover over Workspace. This submenu controls which layout you're using and gives you access to reset options. Take a moment to notice which workspace you're currently in. Illustrator typically includes options like Essentials, Typography, and Painting, among others, and there will be a check mark next to the one that's active. If you're not sure, just look for the check mark. It tells you exactly which layout is in use. Knowing this matters because the reset command is specific to the workspace you're using. Now, from that same workspace menu, click Reset followed by the name of your workspace. For example, if you're in Essentials, choose Reset Essentials. Illustrator will instantly restore the default positions for the panels and tools associated with that workspace. You'll see things snap back to where they were designed to be, which is especially helpful if panels have been closed, floated, or docked in unexpected places. A few helpful notes here. Resetting your workspace does not affect your documents, artwork, or preferences. It just reorganizes the interface. It also won't change your keyboard shortcuts or color settings. If it seems like nothing changed, that usually means your layout was already at its default, or you might have accidentally selected a different workspace earlier. You can always repeat the process and confirm that the correct workspace is selected before resetting. If you use multiple workspaces, for example, one for drawing and another for layout, remember that each one has its own default arrangement. You can switch to a different workspace from the same window, workspace menu at any time, and then use the reset option for that specific layout. That's all it takes. With just a couple of clicks, you can return